Hi everyone, this is Rossi Todorova, and I am doing a lesson in beginning drawing. So today I'm covering thumbnails. So what are thumbnails? Thumbnails are small sketches that help you decide on the composition of your drawing before you get started. Today I'm drawing a pear, and I'm working on newsprint. To start a thumbnail, you want to think about the ratio of the paper you'll be working on. I'm going to be translating these thumbnails onto 18 by 24 drawing paper. So I want to make thumbnails that are the same ratio of that 18 by 24 drawing paper. So they need to be taller than they are wide for a vertical composition or a portrait. And they need to be wider than they are tall if we were to flip that ratio on its side to consider horizontal compositions rather than vertical. We call that horizontal or landscape. I'm drawing this pear today, and the first thing that I want to think about is the shape of the pear. Just general big size of the pear, like what kind of space does it occupy, and how do I want to fit it onto my larger sheet of paper. When you do a thumbnail, you should start with a gesture. A gesture is a drawing that is very quick, encompassing, and trying to get the entire form in a very short amount of time. These thumbnails should take you somewhere between 10 and 30 seconds. They should not be a little drawing in themselves. They should just be a very quick sketch. So I'm gonna change the position of my pear with each one so that I can think about how it can fit on the page. So for this first one, the pear is just upright. So I'm thinking about the larger part of the pear, its width, then how that neck of the pear kind of sticks out, goes into that circle, its stem, as well as the napkin that it's sitting on. I'm going to reposition the pear, see if I can find a different view. For this one, I'm going to go a little bit further to the left. Again, very quick little gestural pieces. And then for the next one, I'm gonna go more to the right, maybe actually this way. Thinking about how that stem sticks out, the width of the pear, and again, how that napkin can be a compositional element that's a part of it. I've done 3 vertical thumbnails. I'm gonna do 3 horizontal. I'm gonna change the pear so that it's sitting on its side. And here I kind of see the bottom of the pear, or I like to call it the butt of the pear. Thinking about how that napkin is gonna fit. Maybe let's go in the other direction. One with the stem pointing left rather than right. And again, these are quick little drawings that help you decide the composition that you're going to spend a lot of time on. And then what about one almost with the stem down? The cool thing about thumbnails is that you can make very quick changes. So for example, if I feel like the pear is too close to the top sheet of the paper, which is what that thumbnail would indicate, I can just change the thumbnail a little bit, make it just a little bit bigger. Very quickly decide whether that's gonna work, or if I really like a composition but think that it might work better as a vertical rather than a horizontal, I can very quickly make that change. And I'm doing it at this scale rather than starting on a big sheet of paper, working through in setting up my entire drawing and then making a change. It's so much harder. It's much easier to make those changes early in this scale, on the smaller scale. Now that I've done 6, 3 vertical and 3 horizontal thumbnails, I'm gonna choose which one I think might be the best, or the one that I think I wanna work on for the real drawing. And I'm gonna look at the form again. I think that I like this one. So I think that this is the one that I'm going to do on the larger sheet of paper. I'm gonna just bring that thumbnail close to the camera so you can see it. So that's the thumbnail that I'm going to do for my bigger drawing, which will be the next lesson. Okay, see you soon.